Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be reviewing this no spill oil funnel set from OEMTools, model number 87039. This is from Mobile Distributor Supply and a link to this kit will be included in the video description. This kit includes both direct screw-on fits and generic adapters for a wide range of vehicles. All of the adapters screw together so there's no need to worry about any oil leaking out, reducing the chance of a mess. There is also some extra features that can be purchased separately from this kit to expand its capabilities. This includes a bottle seal piercer, ATF bar attachment, and residue fluid collector. On the back of the box we can see the full parts list. This includes a universal funnel, adapters for Chrysler, Ford, Mazda, GM, Honda, Toyota, Lexus, Subaru, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, VW, Volvo, and an extendable adapter. Opening the box, we can see everything is neatly packed inside with all the accessories. Here we have a large funnel opening with the typical OEMTools color scheme. This funnel threads onto each of the clear adapters. Each of those adapters have the application printed clearly on the side, and it includes an O-ring on the adapter connection, fastening to the fill location on the vehicle. We also have a large extension adapter along with a couple other cap adapters. Removing the cardboard, in the bottom of the box is all the hardware needed to mount this storage tray on a wall. This keeps everything neatly packed away, all in one spot, so there's minimal risk of losing any components. For installation, this is getting installed by my toolbox where I can easily access it when working on a car. Using a level, I marked out some reference lines. I then installed the metal tray and marked out the screw holes. After that was pre-drilling the screw holes. Now fasteners are installed with the metal tray. Next is putting all the components in place along with the drip catch tray on the bottom. I have been using this set on a couple different vehicles and I'm extremely happy with it. The transparent adapter allows me to monitor the oil flow and the wide opening allows for quick fill-ups. This is all made from a high quality durable plastic so it can be cleaned with any solvent without having to worry about damaging the plastic. With the funnel screwed into place, there is minimal risk of having that funnel popped out of its location and causing a mess in the engine bay. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.